Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic QCAD tutorial how to join polylines. So you can create polylines with these polyline tools, and I will create in it. I will create again polylines from this point here, then connect into this point. Now you can see we have two polyline in here, one and this the second. If you want to join this all polyline, you can select the object, and then click at these icons to join polyline the object, and then if you select the object, it will automatically become one polyline. Okay, that's it for basic QCAD tutorial how to join polylines. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.